National 5 Maths, Practice Paper G, Paper 2. Now in question 13, we're given a graph of y equals sine x minus 3, and we've got to first of all find the coordinates of p. Well, the graph of sine x, just straightforward sine x, has a maximum of 1. 4 sine x has a maximum of 4. And if we subtract 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. So the y value of p has to be 1. Now for your x value, now it hasn't been shifted left or right because there's nothing inside the bracket. It's not like it's 4 sine x plus or minus anything. So it hasn't been shifted left or right. And there's also nothing in front of the in front of the x there, like a 2 or a 3 or whatever. So the period hasn't changed. So normally the maximum would be at 91 if it was just a graph of sine x. So it's still going to be the x value of 90. So here is 91 as our coordinate of p. For part B, we've got to calculate the x coordinates, so only the x coordinates of Q and R. Well, the y coordinates are clearly 0, as we can see in the diagram there for Q and R. We've got to find the x values. So what we have to say is that y equals 4 sine x minus 3. Now we're looking for when y is equal to 0, so it's 0 equals 4 sine x minus 3. So we can solve this equation by adding 3 and then dividing by 4. So 3 equals 4 sine x, divide both sides by 4, so we're going to get sine x equals 3 over 4. We can use our cast diagram. And it's 180 subtract here, 180 plus, 360 subtract. Now sine is positive, so we're going to tick off A and S. So when we do the inverse sine of 3/4, that's going to give us our first answer. And that is 48.6 degrees. So that's our answer that's going to be in the quadrant for all between 0 and 90. So that's one of our answers. To get the second one, we've got to subtract from 180. So 180 subtract 48.6 equals 131.4 degrees. And that gives us our second answer.